buy my university bag. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, this is my university bag, and as you guys can see, it is a preferred quilted tote bag, and I have decorated it a lot. So yeah, let's start with the front part of it. So I have attached these bows to it, and you guys can see one is pink one and the other one is purple one. And I've also added this Sanrio keychain to it. I will also attach some close-up shots of it. And other thing that I have is this mini fan. It is very important to keep a mini fan with you, especially in summers. If you go to university, it can be really hot. So yeah. So moving on to this main strap, I also have this claw clip to it, and I like it so much because it adds a little personal touch to the bag, and also it can come very handy if I need it. So yeah, that's it for the front part. So guys, let's move on to the main zipper, and when we open this up, I have a lot of things inside. So first things first, I have my headphone, and I carry it around with me because I love using headphones these days, because when you have headphones on, everyone can know that you are not listening to them. So I like using it in the university. So yes, a pair of headphones is what I have first. So next up, I have my phone, which I usually carry with me in the small pocket at the back of this bag. So yeah, this is my phone, and it has a very cute chrome case on it, and also I have this beaded strap attached to it. So yeah, this is very cute and I love it. And if you guys want me to make what's on my iPhone video, I will make that, but just comment down below if you want to watch it or not. So again, in the same exact small zipper, I also have my wallet with me, and you guys can see it is very cute and pink. And this was actually a gift from my friend, and I love it so much. It is actually from Miso. So yeah. So the second thing that I have inside is my laptop, which is a need because I am a graphic designing student. I always need a laptop with me. So this is my laptop, as you guys can see, and I also have a mouse pad with me because I use a mouse and I cannot use a trackpad, especially when you are illustrating something on Adobe Illustrator. You need a mouse with you. So yeah, I also keep my mouse with me. So this is the mouse that I carry around with me. It came with my keyboard. It was a set, and I got it from the brand Mulfi. And if you want to see the video of it, I can link it here. And yeah. So next up, I have this notebook with me. It has lined pages, and it is perfect in size 2. I don't have a lot of daily subjects, so this works for me perfectly. So the next thing I have with me is a necessity. It is an emergency kit. So first off, I have some hair ties inside because sometimes you like to put your hair up in a ponytail and you need some hair ties. So the second thing that I have in my emergency kit is a hand wash, and you guys can keep a sanitizer or a hand wash, whatever you prefer. I prefer a hand wash. So next up, what I have in my emergency kit are these 2 lip balms, and lip balm is a must-have, so I have these 2. So I also carry around a perfume with me because it is very important to smell good. So yeah, perfume. So next up, I have my lipstick because sometimes I need to reapply the lipstick. So yeah, a lipstick. So I also like to carry around a medicine, for example, a painkiller with me because sometimes you do need it in emergency. So yeah, and also I like to keep some bandages and sanitary stuff also with me. So next up, I have my pencil case, and you guys have seen this in last year's video too. So opening this one up, I have my milk liners at the very back. As you guys can see, I love them for taking notes. And then I have some colorful fine liners. Along with that, I also have some Pigma micro liners because they are really good for design work. And then I have these uni ball pens because I love how they write. And I also have my mechanical pencil and some extra lead for mechanical pencils, and then this X-Acto knife because design students always carry an X-Acto knife with them. So I also have this eraser. It is a must-have. And then I also have these highlighters with me, and also have this retractable eraser. And then I also have this cute Sanrio notepad, and I love it so much because it is so cute. And other than that, I have a scissor, a must-have, and then I also have a cutter with me, you guys can see. And then I also have some sticky tabs too. And then I also have a ruler, a scale. In the last compartment, this compartment, you guys can probably not see it, so I'll attach the close-ups. So in the last compartment, I keep with me my pencils because they're a must-have if you are not a student. So yeah, pencils, lots of pencils actually. So yeah, that's it for what's inside my pencil case. I'm gonna close this up. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did so, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel down below. And if you guys haven't watched my twin sisters video already, then make sure to go and watch it. I'll link it in the description down below or in the icon right here. So yeah, do watch it. Also make sure to follow us on our Instagram. I will link it down below and the handle is right here. And we'll see you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.